Nigeria's tax ID mandate, what you need to know before 2026 deadline. Good evening and welcome to tonight's top story on fiscal reforms in Nigeria. As the countdown to January 1st, 2026 begins, the federal government has issued a clear directive. Taxable individuals and businesses without a tax identification number, or tax ID, risk losing access to essential financial services. This comes from the newly enacted Nigeria Tax Administration Act, or NTAA, aimed at creating a fairer, more transparent tax system. Our report breaks it down simply, based on the official FAQ from the Presidential Fiscal Policy and Tax Reform Committee, chaired by Taiwo Oyedele. First, the basics. Under Section 4 of the NTAA, anyone classified as a taxable person, that's individuals or entities earning income through trade, business, or economic activities, must register for a tax ID. Banks, insurers, and investment firms will enforce this by requiring proof for account operations, policies, pensions, and more. But here's the relief. Non-taxable persons, like low-income retirees, students, or homemakers with no earnings, are fully exempt, no action needed. This isn't a sudden shock. The rule builds on the Finance Act of 2019, which since January 2020 has required tax IDs for new business accounts. The NTAA just streamlines it nationwide. Why the switch from TIN to tax ID? It's about unification. Your existing TIN from the Federal Inland Revenue Service, Joint Tax Board, or state offices remains valid. No re-registration if you have one. For most people, it's even simpler. Individuals can use their National Identity Number, NIN, as their tax ID, while companies and registered entities link to their Corporate Affairs Commission, CAC registration number. This cuts duplication and eases compliance. Getting yours? It's free and straightforward, no biometrics, queues, or physical cards required. Just visit a local FERS, state IRS, or JTB office, or apply online via their websites. Avoid touts. Stick to official channels. Businesses, including unincorporated ones, use personal tax IDs. Incorporated ones get auto-generated with CAC docs. Even government-owned enterprises, federal, state, or local, must comply under Section 5. For Nigerians abroad, a dedicated Diaspora process uses your NIN for seamless banking or investments back home. Details on the NIMC site. Foreign companies? If you're trading goods or services in Nigeria, register. Passive income earners like dividends may only need to report details. Non-resident firms controlled from Nigeria count as local and must fully register. Miss the deadline? Taxable folks without a tax ID face blocked accounts, policies, and investments, plus NTAA penalties. But the goal isn't punishment, it's progress. By closing evasion loopholes, this reform promotes equity. Everyone with taxable income contributes fairly while protecting the vulnerable. In summary, if you're earning and haven't checked your status, now's the time. Link your NIN or CAC today. For full FAQs and application links, visit fers.gov.ng or fers.gov.ng. This is current info, keeping you informed. Stay tuned for more.